Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're gonna be talking about business credit, why it's important, and how it can benefit you and your company. So let's break it down step by step. So the first step is you're gonna need to have a business. The first step in forming a business is by applying for the business formation that is suitable for your company, whether it be an LLC, S corporation, C corporation, LLP, whatever the case may be. Determine the proper business structure and then apply. You can simply apply by going to the Secretary of State website for wherever you live and then filling out the proper paperwork in order to do so. Once that gets approved, a simple way to check is by going to the taxable entity search for your state. So you can just simply type into Google taxable entity search Florida, taxable entity search Texas, and then just type in your business name, search by business name, and if your information pops up, when it was registered, your EIN, your TIN, your data formation, then you are good to go. If not, then you got some work to do. So that's one way to check if your business has been successfully formed, but you should also be receiving a letter from the IRS or the state recognizing you as a company that you had applied for. Step number 2, once you have your EIN, you can now go to the bank and apply for a business account. Now, for your business account, you will need your EIN in order to apply. Once you apply for your account, the application might be asking for your NAICS code. You can simply look this up again on Google for the code that is specific to your industry for whatever company you are running and use that for the application. So those are two things that you will most likely need is your NAICS code and your EIN. Once that gets approved, you are ready to rock and roll. Step 3, now we need to go and find vendors which we can apply for business credit. Now there are a couple of different ways to do it. You can apply for business credit cards, or you can apply for Net 10 or Net 30 accounts directly with the vendors. So some of my favorite vendors that I like to use and easy to get approved for would be websites like Quill.com, OfficeGarner.com, Granger.com, and Uline.com. They have a very simple process in which you can apply for a business credit account. Some of them might require an initial purchase before you are able to apply, but it's not a big deal. Just make a small purchase. Once you've made your purchase and received it, you can then go ahead and apply for a Net 10 or Net 30 account. What is a Net 10? What is a Net 30? A Net 10 and a Net 30 account simply refers to the amount of days you have in order to pay your balance in full. So if you make a purchase on a Net 30 account, you have 30 days in which you have before that amount must be paid in full. The sooner you pay off your account, the better effect that it has on your credit score. So you want to pay these accounts off pretty early. All right, so now that we've established a Net 10 or a Net 30 account, what is the advantage in doing so? Well, if you're operating a business at scale, you are able to buy down your costs through buying in bulk. And when you're able to buy down your cost, it thereby increases your overall profitability. Let's take, for example, if you have to buy toilet paper, okay, if one roll costs $1 a roll, yeah, that might be cheap if you're only buying one roll. However, if you need to buy 10 rolls, you might be able to buy that cost down to 70 cents per roll. It's a lot cheaper buying in bulk, and when you're able to buy down costs, again, this drives higher profitability for your company. Another advantage is if you need to borrow money, then a lot of companies will be looking at your business credit score to determine the eligibility of your company to do so. Again, the better the score, the higher likelihood that you'll get what you want. Similar to personal credit. And lastly, if you're looking to pick up several units at an apartment complex, like I do quite often, then a lot of these complexes will be looking at your business credit in order to make a determination if they want to be doing business with you. So those are just some of the important reasons why you might want business credit, how business credit can help you scale your business. Hope that was helpful. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.